5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi there, I'm here about to unpack, or just try to unpack, my new scooter. It's the Bogist, I think that's how you pronounce it, or Bogist C1 Pro, and it's a two-wheeler electric scooter. It's got a seat attachment, can go up to 28 miles per hour, also I've been told, at least anyway. Yeah, it can go up hills and all the rest of it. This has been my fourth one I've had. The other ones I've sold, hasten to add, because for various reasons they didn't fit my needs. The first one I got, I thought was a bee's knees, but it wasn't. It was a real bugger to fold up. For some reason, couldn't go on smooth surfaces. Had 8.5F solid tyres, which I hated. Had no suspension. The second one I got was a hell of a lot faster and better, but it was a bastard to carry and to fold up otherwise. So again, I had to sell that. Fourth one I got, the Bogist will be my fifth one, sorry. The third one I got was a Kirin M4 Pro. No, sorry, it was a Kirin M4. So it was a Kugo Kirin M4, sorry. Again, very fast, had an attachable seat, could go long distance, had turn lights and everything, but the folding mechanism went, and after that I was just really nervous about using it. So I ended up selling that, and then I got the InMotion L9. Again, I like that, but you couldn't adjust the height, and the handlebars are quite narrow, so only certain things that you could put on it, because the dashboard was quite large. So anyway, so basically I ended up getting rid of that one as well. So yeah, so basically here I am about to have a stab at unpacking the Bogist C1 Pro. So here we go. Hi guys, and welcome back to the Bogist C1 Pro unpacking. Because I haven't got an actual proper camera set up, then there are going to be times I have to put this down, and so sometimes you might only just hear my voice describing what I'm doing. As I've only got two hands and I need one, obviously, to unpack the rest of it. So that's the explanation. So I'm cutting the string, literally, and now I'm about to open the documents. Obviously, it's essential to save those. So let me just start to cut. Here we go. Ooh. Right, what does it say? This has come all the way from Germany, apparently. So let's see if, that is where they're based, I should say. So let's see if the rumours of German engineering, as it were, although it was manufactured in China. So like I said, they've got their distribution centre in Germany, but they're manufactured in China, as a lot of these electric scooters are. So should we put that aside over there? Okay. Now then, proof of proof of the pudding is in the eating. Yeah, C1 Pro. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Cut through there. Yeah, as you can see, I'm about to open sesame. Oops. Just heard something go clink clink. Hope that's not. As you can see, there's a lot of foam packing. Don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Oh, well, that answers my question. Right, I'm just going to stop filming for a moment because I want to take a picture of how it looks in case I need to repack it. So I'll be back in a sec. Hi guys, Floyd here, and I'm back with regards to unpacking my new scooter. I think there's some bits and pieces that I'm going to take out of it first. So, oh, come here, you bugger. Right, here's the manual. So there's a manual there. Always a good thing. Put that aside for now. Oh yeah. There's the right, there's the seat. Bits and pieces I'm going to need to unpack because they're tied. Well, they've got ring ties around. So again, try and do this without damaging anything, which won't be easy with just one bloody hand. Yeah, really I'm worried about. Right, right, I'm going to have to again put this. Oh no, actually, I tell you what, I'm going to lift this out because then that'll be easier. So again, I'm going to shut off the video, but just briefly while I lift this out of the packaging and the case and stuff, and then we'll proceed from there. So back in a sec. Hi guys, I'm back, and I just want to show you before I do the main unpacking some of the bits and pieces that actually came with the scooter. So the first thing is a little bell, really nice. Obviously toolkit, you know, things like Allen keys and stuff that I'm going to need, and possibly, let's see what's, oh yeah, just Allen keys. Oh, and a little spanner as well. But no, as far as I can see, any sort of no screws or anything, or bolts. I presume they're all on the scooter. But anyway, that's the basically, you know, the little bag that it comes in. You also get a mobile phone holder, although I don't know, I do actually have one anyway from eBay, but you know, hopefully though this one might be, I don't know, a little bit better. But it's a nice little accompaniment thing. And of course, one of the piece de resistances is the oh yeah, I was afraid of this. Basically, they've given me yeah, as you can see, they've given me so is it upside down? So they're basically giving me, it's still upside down, you know, it doesn't matter, but basically they've given me obviously a charger, but for some reason it's not for the UK. So I mean, I think I've got an adapter anyway, so you know, it's no biggie. But you know, it would have been just more convenient if they give me a bloody UK charger. I'm sure they could have, but anyway, you know, it is what it is. So yeah, so those are the bits and pieces that actually go with it. So once I've got the thing set up, then obviously I'll put it on charge, and then obviously take it out tomorrow, and then we will proceed from there. So yeah, that's it for now. I'm going to switch this off again, and then use the scissors to cut the bits and pieces that are holding the seat to it and all the rest of it, and then we'll go from there. So see you in a bit. As you can see, I'm about to start cutting the various zip ties and stuff that bind this thing together. I'm also obviously trying not to cut any of the wires. I mean, I'd be really pissed off if that happened. Oh, and that's the seat, as you can see. So I'm actually obviously going to do that last. Oh, there's a seat thing there, and I should also mention that from Alibaba, I bought and hopefully will get soon a bag thing, a little carry case thing that I can put on the back of the seat post so that I can carry stuff, and so my rucksack won't be so heavy. So that's going to be a plus when it arrives, which hopefully should be about, maybe tomorrow or maybe early next week. So yeah, so let's cut away as if we were Tories hacking away at the NHS. Ooh, okay, that was a handlebar. It's still attached by wires, so no panic yet. What else now? Oh yeah, also I'm going to keep the protective foam, obviously, in case I have to send it back. Hopefully I won't have to. As I said, Bogist C1 Pro, very useful. Let me see what I can do with, oh yeah, excellent. Okay, oh goodness me. So far I haven't actually damaged anything. I'm taking that as a plus, I'm taking that as a win. Yeah, let's proceed, as I say. So let's have a quick look at the handle. Oh, okay. That's the acceleration thing, obviously. Oh, it's got two brakes. That's good actually, because my InMotion L9 has only got one, which is a bit of a, bit of a worry. What's this now? Oh, sorry, and yeah, you can tell it's from China, because the English is a bit, but you know, it does actually look quite good so far. So now, I know it's possible to raise it, but sorry, I'm just going to blow off all of the crumbs of styrofoam that are on it, so excuse the whooshing noises. Yeah. Oh, ouch. Oh, charge ports are around somewhere. I think it might be on the other side. Oh yeah, that's it. But apparently those can be a bit awkward to get off. Don't know if you can see, but yeah, and obviously a little stand thing there. One of them that I had to send back, you know, to the scooters, had the kickstand at a really absurd angle, which meant it looks like it's almost going to fall over. And again, it made me very nervous. But I do like the deck of this. It's very wide and very long, so hopefully, you know, it'll do the business. Right, I'm gonna try to make it stand up. Actually, just give me a sec, and I'll see what I can do. So yes, I'll be back in a second. Right. As you can see, I've been able to get to stand up. How you get to stand up is that you only need to fold down. You press this button here, and then there's a little latch on the side. I don't know if you can see it. Sorry. Yeah, that locks it and unlocks it. So at the moment it's in the locked. Yeah, it's in the oh, hold on. Sorry, it's in the locked. Yeah, it's in the locked position, so it's not going to fall down on me. Fingers crossed. Right, now what we've got to do is we've got to, oh yeah, basically I'm going to have to, take the wing nuts, or whatever you want to call them, off this bit here, and then put the handlebars in between, and then screw it down again, which means of course that I can't actually hold this, although I don't know, maybe if I try and balance it, I don't know if it's gonna do it like that, maybe, or is it gonna fall over? Can't actually, oh sorry, can't actually, oh yeah, and this way, do it like that. Yeah, hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So, where I'm not going to fit the bell, just because, why not now? Oh, sugar. No, I'm not going to fit the bell, although I do have something else I'm going to try and fit instead. That will do until such time as I get something else that I've ordered from eBay to arrive. But yeah, this is what I'm basically going to undo. So many screws, I can find the right bloody. Yeah, here we go. Right. Hopefully this is coming across what I'm doing. I won't know until I bloody obviously look at the video later, which is actually telling me that I'm probably going to need to invest in one of. Oh no, actually, oh stupid me! I actually do have a camera tripod, but for some reason I just didn't think about getting it out, as it were. So you know, good idea. Just happened to occur to me too bloody late, but you know, learning curve, learning curve, learning curve. Right. So here we go. Oh, very exciting, isn't it? Yeah, before I charge it, I mean, I'll probably leave it on recharge, or yeah, overnight. If I can find my bloody adapter. I think I've probably got it in my rucksack somewhere. Because I'm a bit of a pack rat. I always like to have things like cables and bloody bits and bobs and doodads and stuff, because you never know. I mean, you literally never know when you're going to need them. And I've got to be honest, being a bit of a pack rat has actually saved my technical life on more than one occasion, to when I needed something and I couldn't afford to buy it, or it wasn't near a shop or anything, or I didn't have time to wait for something to be delivered. Then you know, so you know, has its uses, as I said. Oh, almost done. Right, now what I'm going to do is take out this last one. Oops, yeah, excellent. Right, now as you can hopefully see, this is the top bit of the handlebar. So I'm going to put that here temporarily. Now, to position this in a oh gosh, actually how do you do, oh. Ah, okay, yeah, right. I think that's how you do it. I mean, to be honest, the handlebars aren't all that, I hope they'd be wider than they are, but you know, what are you going to do? I mean, I might actually replace the handlebars. I mean, handlebars wise, I should say that the stem, which is this bit, it can be raised up. So obviously when I put the thing back on, I probably will raise it up a little bit. I mean, I'm only 5'5", but I don't want it too low down. So, right. Ooh. Yeah, that's better. So now I'm putting the screws back in. Of course, I always drop these bloody things. Force of nature. I'm always going to drop them. And in the past it's often been more than once. Okay. Oh. Sorry, hold on a sec. Right, I'm going to do this one first. Oh, they're not smooth as I thought it would be, actually, if I'm honest. Oh, excellent. I'm not going to tighten it too much right now until I've got them all in. Okay. It's a lot easier than I thought it would be, to be honest. I told you I dropped things. This is unpacking in the wall. Oh, I want to add and stress, I'm not being paid to do this video. I bought this tool with my own money, yeah, for my own use. And if I have to return it, I probably need to pay for it to be returned out of my own money again. Yeah, so I'm not benefiting in terms of getting sponsored or anything. So, you know, I'm just posting so that people can see what an ordinary bloke who likes riding electric scooters but haven't got any specific, you know, skills in doing so. Because I want to stress that I like riding scooters and all the rest of it, so I probably won't try one of those one wheel things, whatever, but I'm not an electric head, yeah? So all the gizmos about tightening brake cables or doing this or that or revs or what, you know, I just don't know, yeah, anything about that, yeah? It just goes over my head. Also, I like something with a bit of speed, but I'm not a speed demon, so, you know, I want something that's not going to break my neck, yeah? Although, even on a 15-mile-an-hour scooter, you can still do some serious damage, but, you know. Right, oh, I like that. So, now, I'm going to switch off, and, yeah, and then I'm going to take the phone back in my hand again so you can see what I'm doing more directly. So this is enough for now, it's just Floyd. And I'm back. And first of all, actually, I'm going to put the seat thing up, if I can. How do I? Sorry. Oh yeah, yeah, that's it. That's it. Come to Papa. Yeah, that's very secure. Excellent. Good. Bit of room. Right, I'm gonna try and stand on it, hopefully not break my bloody neck. Yeah. Oh yeah, I like this. As you can see, the shaking is me bouncing up and down on this. As if I was in a tart's bed. The thing I don't like though is that with this on here, I thought it'd be longer actually, to be honest, but then again, if I'm going to be sitting down, but actually no, it's okay because I can have my feet, yeah, like this, see? Like this, hope you can see. So yeah, we're cool. Right, now I'm going to try and extend the handlebar by taking this off. By, oh yeah, excellent, okay. Open, yeah, oh. Is that it? Okay, as you can see, I can raise it up. I said raise it up. Okay, as high as it will go. And then close the bastard. Fuck, okay, yep, that's it. Excellent. So, that's as tall as it will go, but again, that's fine. That's fine. Maybe if I keep this, hopefully I will, fingers crossed, I might well change the handlebars for something else, but it'll do for now. Right, oh yes. Now, I'm going to put some of the fixtures on it. The last thing I'll do is the seat. Well, actually no, I'm not even sure I'll do the seat, because I think I may well use it in the near future, but not necessarily tomorrow, and take it out for its test run. So I'm going to keep the seat nearby, which you can see here, still wrapped up, but yeah. So, right. So now I'm going to log off and start putting on some of the bits and pieces, like an extra light and things like that. Okay, back in a second. Hi guys, I'm back. Hopefully you'll still be able to see where the scooter is, and I'm going to put on I'm going to put on a combined light and mobile phone holder. The other one I was trying to do, for some reason it wouldn't go on. I don't know, maybe I need to eat my greens more or something, but yeah, it just wouldn't bloody do it, which is a pain in the arse, but what can you do? Anyway, hopefully I have more luck with this. If I can just force it on. Yeah. Okay, right. Now to put the thing in. Okay. Hopefully this will work. Like I said, what I'm doing is I'm putting on I'm putting on a combined light and mobile phone holder. Although I'll probably just use it for the light. In fact, on that, yeah, until I can get the other mobile phone holder done, so I won't actually need this light. Oh, sugar! Sorry, front myself there. Right, so let me take off this light, as it were. Come on, you bugger. Right, so I'm taking off that one. Oh, I'm going to put it on at a different time. I'm going to put this on. It is actually fairly secure now, because it's actually a tight fit, but obviously I'm going to put the screw in. I don't want it coming off all of a sudden. So get in, you bugger. So yeah, it feels fairly secure, but I'd be happier when this. Oh yeah, freak. Okay. It should go through to the other side. Oh yeah, yeah, it is. Okay. I think I lost the thread, but for some reason now it's not actually. It's coming through, but it's not actually. I hate when these things like this happen. I don't think this thing was long enough, that's why it's. Oh! Sorry. That's why it's not. Yeah. But hopefully. Oh! Hopefully it will do. Just I don't like the fact that it's so bloody. Yeah. Oh! Is this misaligned? Shoot. No, I don't think so. No. Okay. Hopefully this won't, what's it? Okay. I don't know if I need to. Yeah. Actually, I am worried about this actually. Yeah. I need to take it off. Yeah, it's not. I think it needs a proper screw. This isn't a proper screw. Something I got from somewhere else. So this is definitely not going to happen. That's okay. I can use my other. Ooh. Sorry. I can use my other. So undo this first. Okay, good. Okay. I used to buy another one of these, don't I? Looks like it. Actually, I'm not even really sure if we will need to. No. For some reason that is not working. I don't know why. So I'll put this bit. That one's due later. Right. Right. Now my phone holder. This one's a hell of a lot simpler. Haven't got a bell, but you know, what can you do? I just have to rely on my voice and just shout, get the hell out of the way. It's something ruder there, but I won't. So that's that fitted on. And yes, I'm putting the original light back, so sue me. Bailado. Actually, can I get a bit tighter? Yep, excellent. Yeah, good. I do have a front pouch that I'm going to use, so just bear with me for a sec. It took me a while to get the front pouch off the other scooter, so I'm going to stop filming for now and then get all the bits and pieces together, and then I'll do it that way. So back in a sec. As you can see, it's nearly all finished being set up. Like I said, I'm not going to add the bell, as I said, for reasons that I already outlined. Instead, what I am going to do is that I'm going to find the adapter for the charger, and then, like I said, leave it to charge up. Two things that I do need to do is to put the handlebar extender on, as I said, and then also the wing mirrors. So I'll be doing that, and then after that I'll do a final video as to what it looks like and some pictures. Cheers, let's just flood. Ta-da! I finally got all my bits and pieces on. Now all I've got to do is plug it in to recharge overnight, and then do some clearing up. apart from that, yeah, I'm feeling pretty pleased. It took a bit of an effort because I had to improvise on certain things. For example, I'm not going to use this to hold my mobile phone, but it is good enough, you know, for an extra light. So that's good. As I said, the one at the front is okay, but you know, it's actually quite low down. What else now? And I'm going to put obviously my mobile phone on this bit. This is a sports camera that can do Wi-Fi as well, so I can film my journeys and stuff. And you listen to me rambling on about the state of the world. And as you can see, I've got wing mirrors because, like I said, I've been cycling in the past. So I've been scootering in the past, and all of a sudden, on my right-hand side, a delivery driver or indeed an ordinary cyclist just come whizzing by without any warning. And so luckily I haven't been trying to turn at the time, but it's been quite frightening. So hopefully that will avoid that. And yeah, like I said, I might well change the handlebars in the near future, whatever. But so far, it looks okay. How it rides will obviously be the test to know. So yeah, that's it for now.
Get your motor running, head out on the highway, looking for adventure, and whatever comes our way. Yeah, darling, go make it happen. Take the world in a loving embrace. Fire all of your guns at once and explode into space. I like smoking lightning, heavy metal thunder, racing with the wind, and the feeling that I'm under. Yeah, darling, go make it happen. Take the world in a loving embrace. Fire all of your guns at once and explode into space. Like a true nature's child, we were born to be wild. We can climb so high, I never wanna die. Born to be wild. Born to be wild. Get some motor running, head out on the highway, looking for adventure, and whatever comes our way. Yeah, darling, go